Students, in this video we're gonna find the relative extrema of this function using the second derivative test. So the first step is to find the first and the second derivative. So f prime of x, this is the first derivative, it's gonna be 3x squared minus 6x, and then the second derivative is gonna be 6x minus 6. Okay, the second step is to find critical values. The way we do it is we set f prime of x equals 0. So that would be 3x squared minus 6x equals 0. Okay, so we're gonna factor 3x. That's gonna give us x minus 2 equals 0. We set each one equal to 0, so we're gonna get x equals 0 and x equals 2. Okay, the third step, which is the final step, is to plug in these critical values into the second derivative. So that will be f of 0. So plug it in here, that will give us minus 6, and f prime of 2, we plug into here, so 6 times 2, 12, 12 minus 6 is gonna be 6. Okay, because minus 6 is less than 0, or less than 0, so we have a relative max here, and then this is greater than 0, we have a relative minimum. So relative max is going to be, so to find the relative, so the max is going to be 0 comma, we plug in negative 6 here into here, no, negative 6 into oh no, we're plugging, yeah, we're plugging 0, the critical values, we plug them into here, into the function. So 0, we plug in 0 here, that's gonna give us 0 here, 0, that's give us 3, 0 comma 3 max. Okay, let's check 0, 0, 3. Okay, and then if we plug in 2, which is the minimum, it's gonna give us 2 cubed. 2 cubed, that's 8, and then so that's gonna be 8 minus, and then 2 squared, it's 4 times 3, 12 plus 3, so that's gonna give a minus 12, that's negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. So the max is 0 comma 3 and the minimum is 2 comma negative 1. Thank you very much, students.